If you want to uninstall the LastPass browser extension in Google Chrome, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to remove it from Chrome in just a minute or two. This is helpful if you're switching password managers, troubleshooting your browser, or simply no longer need LastPass installed. And before we get started, if this video helps, please hit the like button and make sure you subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots menu. This is the main Chrome menu where you can access settings, history, downloads, and extensions. After clicking the three dots, hover over extensions in the menu. A small side menu will appear, and from there, click Manage Extensions. This will take you to the Chrome Extensions page, where all of your installed extensions are listed in a grid. Now find the LastPass card in the list of extensions. You may need to scroll a little if you have multiple extensions installed. Once you locate LastPass, look at the bottom of the card and click the Remove button. Chrome will then ask you to confirm that you really want to delete the extension. To finish the process, click Remove once more. That's it. LastPass will be uninstalled from Google Chrome and the extension will no longer be active in your browser. If you ever decide to reinstall it later, you can always return to the Chrome Web Store and add it back again. I hope this video made the process easy and clear. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more fast and easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.